We're halfway through day 2. It's really not very hard to drill the rivets and get them out, but what is hard is that they're trapped by this subfloor and this little puppy. I promised my husband that I wouldn't do any major power tools while he was gone. He's on a business trip right now. So I'm doing what I can till he gets home and gets the saws out and is able to free the rest of it. So basically what I've been doing is just taking the skins off. You can see the rivets. And then just pulling the insulation out, bagging it up, and getting it out. It's not as methodical as I wanted it to be, but I'm doing the best I can with the tools that I'm allowed to use at this point. Today I'm going to be working on the hitch. I actually started and did half of it. I'm super happy with how it came out. There was definitely some trial and error. I did it in sections so that I could see which one worked the best. So I'm going to be filming while I do the second half. I need to strip the rust off of here. So I'm going to be brushing and sanding and adding lemon juice with half a lemon at a time, using it as a scrub pad. I found that to be the best and most effective. Get that all cleaned up, and then I'm going to prime it. The products that I'm using today are the Rust-Oleum Professional Primer. Fast drying, it really is. And then the aluminum high performance. The primer goes on very easily, coats very well, and according to the manufacturer's directions, the top coat or clear coat can go on immediately after. You don't have to wait for drying time, which is super nice. And then if you're going to put multiple coats of aluminum spray on, just a few minutes, it says between coats. So I actually put 3 coats on this, and I think it looked great. Love how shiny it is. I didn't think I was going to get this much of a shine. I tried a lot of different combinations with the other side, but I found the best brush solution was just this little rotary wire brush that I just put on my drill. And the reason I like it is because it can get in all the little spots. I don't have to change implements. And then for the bigger portions, I can just kind of go across and just kind of cut it a little bit so that it gets up some of this coating and some of the rust just a little bit better. So I just used half of a lemon, rubbed lemon juice all over it. It's acidic, so it's going to help dissolve the rust. What's nice about the lemon is that it's got a little bit of texture to it, so it's got a little bit of scrubbing power to it as well. So I really tried to get in there to all the cracks. I left this on about 15 minutes the last time, which I'll do again, and then just rinse it very thoroughly with water. Then I'm going to sand it one more time and then start putting the primer. Well, I've put the primer on and the first coat, and it just said to wait a couple of minutes in between coats, and you can do 2 to 3 coats of the top coat. That's what I'm going to be doing.